One of my taglines is exciting times, and that's what I keep thinking about all the time when I see these different things that are happening here at UND Aerospace and just the things we get to be a part of. We have our students who actually get to fly the Boeing in situ ScanEagle aircraft. It's an unmanned aircraft. It has capabilities up to 19,000 feet. They can fly for up to 24 hours on a couple gallons of gas. And so the things you can do with that are just unlimited. And really the reliability that the aircraft has, it has millions of hours on it, and it's by a company that we all know, Boeing. And so this product is so much more mature than many of the products that are out there that our students get to fly on, and they get to operate that equipment. And with unmanned aircraft systems, what's exciting about it is that you have all the different moving parts, all the things that you have to coordinate and organize before you go flying. You have to think about the site survey and making sure that your place you're flying is the right place to be flying. That you have to think about the public, and you have to think about privacy. You have to think about the weather. And so you're interacting and doing all those parts. And when you get to fly the ScanEagle, it just adds a whole new dimension to the student's education. We have 5 ScanEagle aircraft, and some of those aircraft actually were flying in California in years past and helping with the wildfires. And so they have this capability to do some really useful things that can be helpful for the public. And so our students get that experience operating these aircraft because they have to go out there and they have to set up the launcher. It's a catapult system where the ScanEagle launches off, and it goes from approximately 0 to 60 in 10-11 feet, and it launches into the sky, and it's an exhilarating moment when you see that aircraft launch into the sky. And then you can do your missions. You have a highly automated system that enables you to have your checklists online on your computer screen, that you have emergencies. You can pull up your emergency checklist right off the computer, and you can work through those emergencies, and you can do different missions as well with the aircraft. And then when you come into land or to recover a ScanEagle, it's even more of a thrill because it recovers on a skyhook. You have a precision approach that you come in, and that ScanEagle is down to the centimeter. It's just accurate as can be, and it recovers that aircraft in a very small footprint. So we can launch in a small footprint, we can recover in a small footprint. When we do the ScanEagle training, they get about 20 hours of simulation where they're flying a ground control station that looks, feels, and acts just like they would if they were flying the actual aircraft. And then they get to go out onto the field and they work as a crew, and 2 persons will go for the entire day where they'll get 3 hours apiece, so it's 6 hours of activity where they're flying with a partner, a pilot, and a sensor operator to ensure they understand all the facets of operating that aircraft from launch to recovery. One of the things about coming to UND Aerospace and getting a 4-year degree in this is that you're getting more than a Part 107 certificate. You're getting more than just a taste of what it means to fly an unmanned aircraft system. You're going to get the entire aviation experience, looking at the industry as a whole. And so all these different skills, knowledge, and experiences that you gain here at UND Aerospace really make you a well-rounded individual that you can walk in and you can work at these different companies and you can engage, you can help to solve problems. But they also, on top of that, they're going to get experience flying either airplane or helicopter. So when they're out flying that unmanned aircraft, they're really thinking like a pilot. They're thinking about the situation awareness, things that need to be considered. They have the scan that they need to have in order to really operate that UAS, even if their cockpit is in a ground control station. So we tell our students the things that you're learning today is going to change tomorrow, so you got to keep learning new things. And so hopefully we're giving you those skills so that you can do that you can adapt, and that you can walk out and you can have that job and you can start being productive in that job from day one. Some of the other advances that we are involved in relates to a new course that we actually have started called Counter Unmanned Aircraft Systems. Really it deals with air domain awareness as well as counter UAS systems, and it's exciting for me to be a part of this because we are combining different technologies to make something even better, and our students get to be a part of that. Exciting times.